Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on XVG. In my earlier video, I was showing you that XVG first broke out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after breaking out that wedge, recently it broke out another falling wedge pattern that was smaller than the previous one. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern, we had a very nice pump, but the price then got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. That had been previously breaking as a resistance on here, and before that, for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as a very strong support zone from the month of June 2021 up till the month of December 2021. And since then, since after this breakdown, it is flipped into a very strong resistance zone. And recently, after the breakout from this wedge, when we had this powerful rally, the price and is once again rejected and then we retested this previous resistance of 1 cent as a support and geared up. By the way, this 1 cent had been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and here, despite this long spike, the price could not break out this resistance, and now it is flipped into a support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we tested the 1 cent support level here and geared up once again, and again got rejected by this long-term resistance zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 19th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, a bad move that XVG was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as predicted, the price then dropped down and completed the final leg into the buying zone. And then we had a very nice reversal. And this was almost 37% pump. Before that, we caught almost 31% pump. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that XVG formed on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this signal I shared on 18th of November 2024. And this was a complete trade signal buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. Again, entered the buying zone here by the way first. Then we had a very nice reverse. And this was almost 31% pump only on this 1-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of XVG, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that recently we have broken out another falling wedge pattern. By the way, since after the month of March 2024 up till here, up till the month of September 2024, the price line has been moving inside this wedge, and after getting squeezed, finally we broke out the resistance. And the target that I've been telling you even before the breakout for this wedge was here at the top of the wedge at 1 cent, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. If I place measurement tool from this over here, then you can see that it has rallied almost 734%, but could not break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. And if you take a look at this previous history of this resistance on, then you can see that previously it has been breaking at it. Resistance here and support here for several months. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. For example, if the price and breaks out this resistance on, then slightly higher than this resistance zone, here we will have this very long-term up trend line resistance as well that has been previously breaking as a resistance here. We got so many rejections here and resistance here, and again, it can break as a very strong resistance for the price line of XVG. On the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. By the way, I also have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very massive pump. And so far from this to here, it has rallied almost 1,417%, but still a very big move due. And that is the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.